I don't know what my future holds, but all that matters is that you're in it. I cannot believe I'm only a few hours away from being Miss Claire Bennett.
Claire, I remember the first time I saw you. I think I was 13 years old, and I thought to myself, you're the most beautiful girl I'd ever seen. You were walking into Washington School. You walked right by me. You didn't notice me, but I certainly noticed you.
I don't think I've ever waited so long for anything in my life, but at the same time, it feels like just yesterday. We were riding around the farm in your old black truck praying the sun wouldn't go down so I wouldn't have to go home.
I would like to say I believe everybody in here would agree with me that one thing is for certain, and that is that Nelson Bennett has always been love-struck by Claire Thomas.
She is one of the most caring, selfless, generous people I have been so blessed to call my friend. Claire, I'm forever blessed and forever grateful to have you.
And Nelson is, I guess since the first day, he drove up my driveway, and I didn't let anybody else drive up my driveway. He's been one of mine from the get-go.
And as a friend, I would like to say, you are a great role model on the way you should treat a woman, and I do admire that for you. And congrats to y'all.
And baby, I love you. And I can't talk about you because I'm gonna start crying. So I'm gonna pass the mic now that I've said all of that. But welcome to the family, Nelson, and baby, I love you. And that's all I can say. That's it.
Well, I've spent almost a decade falling in love with you over and over again. I know this next chapter of our life will be my favorite yet, and we have so many memories to make. But in my eyes, you will always be that tan, 15-year-old boy in a white t-shirt on a tractor giving me all the butterflies.
Then we went to a sub-deb dance together. That was the night. I can remember wanting to kiss you so badly that night. Well, a few months later, it happened. I got my first kiss from you.
If you know me, I love my sister very much, and she has been my best friend growing up. And there isn't a single other person on this planet that I would rather her be with. And so for that, thank you.
The day we've been waiting for is here. Tomorrow you become Miss Bennett. You will be the most beautiful bride, and I can't wait to be your biggest supporter and cheerleader in life and everything you do. You both deserve all the happiness in the world. Cheers to the Bennetts.
Claire, I know I tell you this all the time just because I really mean it when I tell you I'm the luckiest man in the world. You had no idea how bad I needed you when God brought you into my life. I still don't think you do. I've never seen someone love as hard as you do.
That's it, but I appreciate all y'all coming. Y'all all mean so much to me and Claire, seriously, and I can't wait to marry the love of my life, the girl of my dreams. Thank you for coming.
Friends, we are gathered together in the sight of God to witness and bless the joining together of Nelson and Claire in Christian marriage. The covenant of marriage was established by God, who created us male and female for each other. I, Nelson, take you, Claire,
I, Nelson, take you, Claire,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my one true love.
and my one true love.
I, Claire, take you, Nelson,
I, Claire, take you, Nelson,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
my one true love.
my one true love.
I will cherish our friendship and love today,
I will cherish our friendship and love today,
tomorrow,
Tomorrow
and forever.
and forever.
I will trust you and honor you
I will trust you and honor you
by being faithful to you.
by being faithful to you.
I will laugh with you and cry with you
I will laugh with you and cry with you
through the best and worst,
through the best and worst,
through the difficult and easy.
through the difficult and easy.
Whatever may come,
Whatever may come,
I will always be there.
I will always be there.
As I have given you my hand to hold,
As I've given you my hand to hold,
so I give you my life to keep.
congratulations, Miss Bennett. I present to you this very night, Mr. and Mrs. Nelson Bennett.
Claire, I'm so thankful God brought you to me. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. Here's to forever, sweetheart. Love, Nelson.
I've been planning this very day since I was only 7 years old. I feel so lucky to know that you're the man I get to live out all my dreams with. We have so many memories to make, so let's start at the altar. I'll be the one in white. I love you, Nelson.
Time I get up, I'd fall. Had to put back together, but it fell apart. So you can't fix my broken heart, and you got me high, high, high. Oh yeah, I'm finally high, high, high. Yeah, yeah. And I'm singing out, singing out, singing out loud.
And Mrs. Bennett!
It's the only tune I wanna hear. Your love is like music to my ears. Take my troubles, make them disappear.
One time freshman year, you were going to take Claire out and you told her to dress up and look nice. And for some reason, the two innocent little freshman girls thought that you were going to propose again. I have no idea why that would have been happening.